everyone. My name is Chirpy. Chirp, 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 chirp. I love to go for walks. And when I went for a walk today, I saw something. Oh, this looks like a red bucket. Yes, this is a red bucket. Wow, there are so many things inside. You want to see? Let me go check. Plonk. Oh, what is that? That is a red flower. Red flower. Wow, let me go check what else is there. Wow, something so big. What's that? Can anyone tell me what is that? Yes, that is a red pomegranate. Red flower, red pomegranate, red bucket. Oh, there are more things inside. Let me go. What is that? Wow, that is a red tomato. Wow, red flower, red tomato, red pomegranate.
Chirpy introduced color red through all the red colored objects that he found in the red bucket. To reinforce about the color red, we can give a sheet with an object of red color to the children for painting. For this, we can either give a thick brush or a sponge so that there is a good grip when the child is painting in the sheet. While the child is painting, we can sing the rhyme along in reinforcing the red color again. If you know color red, nod your head. If you know color red, nod your head. If you know color red, then you please nod your head. If you know color red, 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 then you please nod your head. If you know color red, nod your head.